Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to upload an image to Roblox. Firstly, open your Roblox on your PC. Once you create option from the top bar, after that, click to copy the URL link. Then open up the new tab and paste the link in here. Now from here, go into the creations option and then click on development items. After that, go into the decals option from here. Then upload assets here. Now upload a photo and edit the name of its picture. Once you are done, click the upload button. After that, head to the images button from here. Then your image is uploaded successfully. Now get back to Roblox's homepage and click on the three lines from the top left corner and go into the inventory option. After that, you can see your uploaded images under decals. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.